Hey guys, welcome back to another home tour. Today we are at Bendemeer checking out a stunning 4-room resale HDB designed with a Japandi theme. This 1000 square feet home belongs to a young couple who love coffee and quality time. And what better place for that than an open concept kitchen? It makes the space feel larger while letting them bond over their brews. If you have noticed, arched designs are incorporated throughout the space, adding a soft, timeless aesthetic. And what's really interesting about this home is its simplicity in its materials. Just 3 types of laminates were used throughout. One of the bedrooms have been transformed into a gym-study combo. Why choose when you can have both? As they say, a gym a day keeps the guilt away. They also took a bold step by merging 2 bathrooms into 1, creating a more spacious and luxurious feel. And for the fashion lovers out there, this couple decided to hack one of the bedrooms to create a walk-in wardrobe. Now, they have a dedicated space for their outfits, accessories, and makeup. If you're enjoying this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More exciting home tours are coming your way, so stay tuned.